Hi, my name is Iris. I am the bar manager of SUSHISAMBA Dubai. SUSHISAMBA Dubai is located in Palm Jumeirah, 51 floor. We are offering an amazing 360-degree views all over Dubai Skyline. SUSHISAMBA Dubai is a celebration of culture and cuisine of Japan, Brazil and Peru. We are offering a multi-sensory experience of innovative drinks and food. As part of our beverage program, I believe it's very important to preserve the quality and the consistency of the drinks, regardless if there is alcohol or not in them, to bring the best experience possible to our guests. And products like Lyre make it possible for us. Today I'm going to be making one of our most popular non-alcoholic cocktails called the white champagne. SUSHISAMBA as a venue has a big demand of wines, so I decided to create a sophisticated version of what it could be a glass of champagne, utilizing the beautiful flavors and aromas of Lyre's Dry London, which we're going to combine with a fresh grape juice, elderflower cordial, mint, and different Brazilian spices that we utilize in our bar in SUSHISAMBA. Looking forward to welcome you in SUSHISAMBA Dubai.